Summer 2015, canoe making, Chippewa, the Thames First Nation. COTCFN.
Straighten it out first. I'll try it, see what happens. The old canoe builders, they would split everything like right, completely,
Like almost paper thin?
well, not paper thin, but you were if you could split thin stuff,
It just goes further, right?
it goes further, but it also
Makes the canoe lightweight.
it's less work that you gotta do. So the better the splitter you are, the less carving you have to do. But it's like super thin.
I got faith.
You?
Yeah, you can do it. You can do it.
Okay, hello YouTube. I know you're there, making me nervous. But we are gonna try to split
The unsplittable.
the unsplittable cedar for sheathing without it cracking and falling apart and ripping off.
Ooh. Hi.
Yeah.
Going.
Oh.
Oh. Look at that. Look at Papa.
Just get it started. Just get it started. Just maybe we'll have the thinnest piece of sheathing ever split by two human hands. Again, you want to make sure that you're going down the middle on both sides. But because this is so big on this side here, you don't know what's happening on the other side if it's splitting right.
Hey, log on.
Oh. You're guiding, you're putting pressure on with your hands to keep that split in the middle. It's a natural reaction. Once you start splitting lots, it's just your muscles know where to go. But this is pretty thin.
There's a knot on the other side.
Is there a knot?
Just a small one, but
Oh wow, that's serious. This is serious. This is like big time serious.
It is.
If I can't successfully bust through that knot,
it's gonna split or throw it off.
little baby taps. Little baby taps. Now, can I bring that crack back to the middle? That's the thing.
Yeah, he did.
Just keep going.
Just keep.
Just keep going. We're just about there. Yeah, no problem.
Woo! Yeah, he did.
There.
Woo!
Now,
Thinnest piece of wood ever split by a pair
let's
of
do
man
it
hands.
again.
Let's do
Fine.
it again.
Oh, hold on.